안녕하세요. 제 이름은 디샨다입니다. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today I am unboxing my Sephora Play bag of February 2018. I will leave all the information down below in case you want to get your very own Sephora Play bag. This, of course, is a beauty subscription box that was created by the team at Sephora, which is one of my favorite stores, by the way. This is my first time getting this subscription, and it's been around, I want to say, since the summer of 2017 maybe. So at first there was a wait list, and then there wasn't a wait list. They kind of canceled all that, so now anyone can subscribe. It's all open subscriptions, and that is wonderful. And what they do is they will send you, I think, 5 sample size products, so it's only $10 a month, so it's a really, really good deal, I think. And you get to try things that you may never have heard of before or were interested in trying. Now, when I do my subscription boxes on my channel, I like to rate them using what I call the 3 P's. The 3 P's are product, presentation, and packaging. All right, so I'll just kind of rate those using those there. That's my own little scale I made up. Anyway, when you open up the box, this is what it looks like on the inside. There's a saying there on the inside that's really, really cute. And this is what the bag looks like. Let me take it out here. I'll take out the card first because they always come with this card. And this is really, really cute. Every Sephora Play box that you get will have a 50-point Beauty Insider points that you can use at the Sephora store. You have to go in the store to use this. And let me just open her up here. This is what it looks like here, the little pamphlet on this side. The theme is Feel the Love, and on this side it tells you what products are inside of here. So that's really, really cool. I think it tells you the prices. It does not tell you prices, but it tells you how to use it and what it is. All right, so without further ado, let's get going with this unboxing. This is what the little bag looks like. Again, the theme is Feel the Love. There's a little heart there because it's February. It's Valentine's Day, of course. And there's a little girl there on the front. She kind of reminds me of Betty Boop. I'm showing my age by saying that, but whatever. Anyway, let's go ahead and open her up and see what we have inside. All right, so the first thing we have is from Makeup Forever. This is the Artist Rouge Matte in number M500. If you follow me on Instagram, and you should follow me on Instagram, I'll leave all my links down below as well. I just took a picture wearing the lipstick. I'm wearing it right now, actually. So this is what the lipstick looks like on my lips. And this is what the bullet looks like here. This is from Makeup Forever. Very good makeup brand. And this is what the little bullet looks like, and that's the color. It's like a deep wine color, which is up my alley. Those that know me know that I will wear this dark vampy lip year round. I don't care. I will walk around looking like a vampire year round wearing dark lipstick. So it's one of my favorites. So it's very nice. It's very comfortable. It's a comfortable matte. I think it has nice pigment, good color payoff. I want to get a full size of it. All right, moving on. Next up we have, this is from Peter Thomas Roth. This is an awesome brand too. This is a firm peeling gel exfoliant, and that's what that looks like. And by the way, if I didn't say this already, this bag is curated based on my skin concerns and my skin needs and my you know, my eye color, my hair color, my skin tone, all of that. So this was sent to me based on my my skin concerns. So this is it's an exfoliant that will wipe away the dead skin cells and whatnot. So that's what the other side looks like, by the way. Peter Thomas Roth, very good brand, very good skincare brand. Next up, we have a perfume. From what I understand, again, this is my first box, but from what I understand, Sephora Play will always put in a perfume sample, which is really, really cool. This one's from Philosophy. This is the Amazing Grace perfume sample, and that's what she looks like in the vial right there. I love smell goods. Ooh, and this one smells really nice. Not fruity, but it's really, really, I cannot describe smells unless they're coconut smells, which I love. But yeah, this one, this is nice. This is really nice. Next up, we've got 3 more things I'm feeling. We have, oh, this is from Sephora. This is the Gel Gloss Ultra Shine Lip Gel. So this is a lip gloss in the color Perfect Nude. It is sealed. I'm not going to open it, but that's what it looks like there in the tube. You guys know that I don't like swatching stuff. I don't know what it is about swatches. I personally don't like to swatch. So you won't see any swatches on my channel, and I'm sorry about that. But I'm happy to get this because if all else fails, send me a nude lipstick. I can work with it. All I need is a dark brown lip liner, and I can work with any nude that you give me. Couple more things. Next thing we have in here. Ooh, yes. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask, safe for sensitive skin. This is awesome. I love this brand. First Aid Beauty is really, really good. I first used their product in another subscription that I got. I got a sample, sort of like this size, of the Red Clay Cleanser. That stuff is amazing. So I'm happy to get this. Yay! I'll be using this tonight. And then last thing I have in the bag is, yes, this is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Little trial size of that. That's what that looks like. That is awesome. Too Faced mascaras are great. Let's see what the wand looks like. Ooh, yeah. Look at the wand. Can you guys see that? Not sure if you can, but that's what the wand looks like. Very, very nice. It's kind of like hourglass shaped in there. If you can see that. Maybe not. I'm not good at this. But anyway, yes, 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 yes. I'm excited. And that is everything in this month's Sephora Play bag. Now, as far as my 3 Ps are concerned, the presentation, the products, and the packaging, I love everything. This packaging is cute. I really like this. Everything was packaged well. The box, I like the color of the box too. I love things in black and white. So everything was excellent. My 3 Ps gives it all thumbs up. So let's just recap right quick what we got. We got the Philosophy Amazing Grace perfume sample. I also got the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge matte lipstick in M500 that I'm wearing on my lips right now. I got the Better Than Sex mascara, which I'm really excited about. From Sephora, I have their Ultra Shine Lip Gel in the color Perfect Nude, I believe. I also have from First Aid Beauty this mask. I cannot wait to use this mask. And then finally from Peter Thomas Roth, the Firm Peeling Gel Exfoliant. And that, my friends, is everything in my Sephora Play bag. This is my first bag, like I said, and I love it. And I can't wait to see what we get for next month. So if you get Sephora Play, let me know in the comments what you got in your bag, because I believe now, like I had mentioned earlier, they're now curated to fit your profile. So everybody's going to get something different. And by the way, if I haven't said this already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like the video and share the video. The more those things happen, the more recognized I get here on YouTube, which would be so very awesome. So don't forget to share this video to anyone who loves makeup and just wants to see me unbox things and fangirl out. All right, friends. Thank you guys for watching. Again, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Do all 3, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나